Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The taste of balsamic vinegar is intense, sweet and sour, lingering, aromatic, and when it's aged, it has complex flavors given by aging in barrels. The one of balsamic glaze is sweet, slightly sour, mushy and flat. 7 April 2020.
Take our lead.
2 weeks. When the balsamic glaze is thick and syrupy and has reduced by half, about 20 to 30 minutes, remove the pot from the burner and allow it to cool. Store your balsamic glaze in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. 15 September 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Does balsamic glaze need to be refrigerated after opening? If you refrigerate, it will turn into cold sludge that will never come out of the bottle. It's basically a reduction of balsamic vinegar, no need for refrigeration.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.